Now I'm going to show you how to pack up the Forbes 12 Plus, put everything away and get ready for travel. First, we'll pack up the kitchen. Take particular note of the steps involved. Before you disconnect the gas on pack up, turn off the gas bottle and release any gas pressure through the cooktop. That way it'll make it a lot easier to get the bayonet fitting out. Simply push it in, give it a twist to the left and pull it out, and we can return our little dust cover back into there. And that's done. Closing up the lids, there's a little bungee strap on the front of each lid. What we want to do is secure them around their point on the kitchen there. Make sure your tap is pushed down out of the way, close the sink lid and attach. And on the front of the drawer here, there's a little toggle to move across so the drawer can't accidentally open while the kitchen's stowed away. If that happens, it can make it difficult to get your kitchen open later. Now, remove the support leg. Unscrew that and stow it away somewhere safe. Now, we can close our kitchen up. Push down the blue handle on the slide, push the kitchen forward, and slide it in until the slide locks. Then, return our pad bolt into the secure position there, fold our little handle down, kitchen stowed, so we can lock up our hatch. Now we can easily pack up our awning. Slide the legs together, and when you put these away, always make sure you do it nice and evenly, and the hinge in the corner, push it in so it doesn't pop out of its little holder. Push the leg in till it snaps into its clip. Again, pushing in evenly and flat. Now we can flick the switch and the awning will retract. Doesn't hurt to give the awning a little bit of support as it goes in, particularly if there's any wind. You don't want the wind to catch it and ruin your awning. And that's done. Now before we fold up the back of the caravan, we need to fold our bed. Remember, you can leave your bedding on the bed and do this operation no problem at all. It's a nice, easy way of doing it is lift the end of the bed up and pull the whole thing towards you. As it folds up, all the way up towards the cupboard, and now we're ready to fold up the back of the caravan. Packing up the fold out section is easy, just a reverse of the setup. Undo the latches at the top. Now we can fold down our window panel and raise the base up. As I raise the base up, I like to step up onto the wheels, and it makes it nice and easy to get to the latches at the top. Now we can fold in our wing panels, turn the lever, lock it down into place. Same again, and bring down our rear lid. Push it in firmly, push the latches in, and away we go. Now we can return the spare wheels to their position. Remember, when you lock up the spares, put the pin in here and lock these latches. Return the little linch pin into position so they stay locked. They can't come undone accidentally. So in detail, imagine this post is upright. We take our pin, put it through, grab the linch pin, put it in the hole and flick it over as such. With the over center latches, we lock it in place, then insert the linch pin in through there. That side's secure, now we can do the other side. Something you must absolutely not forget is to latch the roof down. Very important, put the latch over the top, pull the over center latch down and get your R-clip, put it through. Do that on all four corners. Important to do that because if you don't, the wind can actually lift the roof while you're traveling and that may not end well. That's all of them. A very important part of the pack up with the Forbes 12 Plus is lowering these handrails on the bunk bed. This is an absolute must do. If you don't do this, the roof will actually come down and hit the rails. So lift the mattress up, fold them down out of the way and return the pins into their position so we don't lose them. If you're not running a portable fridge in the fridge slide at the front of the caravan, you can now turn all the 12-volt power off to the van. Simply turn the main switch to the left and all the power's off. If you are running a fridge in the front, you'll need to leave the main power left on. Turn off all the circuits except the fridge circuit. Leave that on and your fridge will run. You'll be able to still charge your trailer through the Anderson plug on the car. Or if your caravan's packed up and not going anywhere, it will still charge via the solar and your fridge will keep running. When we're packing up ready to travel, we need to turn the hot water off, both at the gas and at the main panel, and also turn off the water pump. Hot water off, water pump off. When folding down the roof on the Forbes 12 Plus, always start at the back. So when packing up, back down first, front down second, as opposed to when you're setting it up, raising the front first and then the back. Simply make sure the little retaining toggle's out of the way, grab the handle and pull it all the way down. Making sure our little toggle is out of the way, we can pull down the front. Now we can pack up the back, latch it down, and we're almost there. Whatever you do, don't forget to lift the stabilizer legs before you travel, otherwise it's going to be an extremely short trip. Put the brace on and wind it up out of the way. Pull the blue handle out, grab the stabilizer leg and lift it up into position. Give it a wiggle until the blue handle clips into place and that's locked firm. Now we return the Truma flue to its travel position. Put the factory cover back on, clip that into place and then close the main cover and we're done. So now packing up the step, again, push down on the bar at the back, lift the step, lock it up out of the way. So that's how we pack up the Forbes 12 Plus. If you go to the MarketDirect website, go to Media, to Masterclass, and have a look at the Masterclass videos. They'll give you lots of great tips on how to caravan and camp a lot easier, many things that will make setting up and packing up your trailer a whole heap easier. And don't forget to go to the manuals and download the applicable manual for your caravan.